to Gwen Ventures. Today I'm going to teach you 5 different dishes that you can pair with your fried or baked tilapia. Stay tuned to find out.
For our menu today, we have the following 5 dishes that are super easy to make. Each dish uses anywhere between 2 to 6 ingredients. Up first, we have tomato and salt. This 2-ingredient dish tastes amazing, not only with tilapia, but I also enjoy eating this with my fried eggs in the morning too. It's so refreshing and adds a nice crunch to your meal. For this, you can use 1 or 2 tomatoes. I use 2 because I'm always sharing my dishes with my family. As you can see, all you need to do is dice up your tomatoes, and then we're going to add a little bit of salt. I eyeball the salt, probably use about half a teaspoon. Mix well. If you have any leftovers, you can also eat the rest of this with your tortilla chips. Or if you want to get even more creative, you can always add this to your pasta sauce to make pizza or spaghetti. Super simple, right? Next, we have lemon and patis, aka fish sauce. This is my absolute favorite. Back in high school, I used to ride 3 buses to get home. I take the last bus a bit farther past my house to the Asian supermarket, buy some tilapia and lemons, and then ask the kitchen inside the market to fry the fish for me. Most Asian supermarkets will fry the fish for free, so take advantage of this, especially when COVID is no longer a thing. After frying the fish, I'd walk all the way back home excitedly, anticipating that first bite of fried tilapia and hot rice mixed with my lemon and patis sauce. So good. Our third and fourth dishes both use garlic, vinegar, and pepper. We'll switch out salt and patis for these. Anytime I use garlic in a sauce or mix it in a dipping oil, I prefer to crush the garlic with my knife first before mincing it. If you have one of those grinder bowls like this one, then that will work too. I do this because I like extracting the juices from the garlic. For this dish, I substitute regular salt for patis, or the fish sauce, because it's pretty salty on its own. Another great idea for this mixture, after adding the vinegar, is to eat this with fried shrimp. Oh, it is so heavenly when you fry up some garlic and shrimp and then dip the shrimp in this, topped with a spoonful of rice. So scrumptious. My mouth is literally watering as I talk. As mentioned before, this next dish will use pretty much the same ingredients. We have garlic, vinegar, along with salt and pepper. The main difference between this dish and the other dish is we are using salt instead of fish sauce. You'd be surprised at the difference that it makes. And finally, we have our grand finale, mango, onion, and tomato mixture. Some people like to call this a mango salad. Call it what you will, it tastes great with fish and also acts as a great chip dip as well. For those unaware of how to cut a mango, you basically cut 2 giant halves that avoids the big seed in the middle. Take some practice, but you can do it. For this dish, I typically use a mango that is a bit firmer than the small, softer mangoes. It really does make a difference. For this dish, I prefer to use a purple onion because I think the color really adds to the look of this dish overall. It's also slightly milder than a yellow onion, which I normally use. Now time for the best part, mixing it all together. I add roughly 1 teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper, but feel free to use as much as you like. I also like to use parsley flakes. Feel free to use fresh ones. The fresher, the better. Voila! That is it. And there you have it, 5 individual dishes to eat with tilapia.
Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, which one you're excited to try, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like, and that you subscribe to this channel for more food content and other adventurous content that I choose to upload. And I will see you guys on the next one.